Tired of Chrome's tab groups cluttering your browser? Learn how to ungroup them in seconds without losing any tabs. Alright, so here's the situation. You've been organizing your browser with tab groups, which is great for sorting stuff like work projects or travel plans, but now you've got this rainbow of colored bars across the top of Chrome, and honestly, it's starting to feel more cluttered than organized. The worst part is, you don't want to lose any of those open pages. You just want the groups gone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to open Chrome, select a group, right-click, and ungroup it. No tabs harmed in the process. So, let's start by launching Chrome. I know this feels like the most obvious step in the world, but I want to make sure we're on the same page from the very beginning. Go ahead and click that Chrome icon wherever you have it, on your taskbar, your desktop, your dock, wherever it lives. Just open it up. You're going to see all your tabs and all those groups staring back at you. Don't worry, we're about to clean that up. Now, locate the tab group you want to remove. And here's the thing. You'll know it's a group because it has that colored label, and it's usually a little rounded rectangle at the top of the tab. Maybe it's purple for your research or green for your shopping list. Take your time and find the specific group you want to break apart. You might have multiple groups, and that's totally fine. Just pick one for now. Let your eyes scan across the top of the browser. Once you spot it, that's the one we're working with. Now, right-click on that group. Not just anywhere, but right on that colored label or the name of the group. This is a really important detail. If you click on the actual tab content or the little X to close the tab, you'll get a different menu. You want to click specifically on the colored group header. That's the little badge that holds all the tabs together. Once you do that, a menu pops up with a bunch of options. This menu is your toolkit for managing that whole group of tabs. And finally, click the option that says Ungroup. It's usually right there in the middle of that menu. Go ahead and click it. And just like that, it's done. All the tabs that were inside that group are now free. They just slide out into your main tab bar as individual tabs. Nothing closes, nothing disappears. They just become regular, independent tabs. So you don't lose a single page you had open. You've just transformed that messy group back into a clean, simple set of tabs. And if you want to repeat this for other groups, it's the exact same process every single time. And that's really all there is to it. From being frustrated with those messy grouped tabs to having a clean, organized tab bar in just a few clicks. I love how simple this is once you know where to click. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. And if you want more quick and clear tutorials just like this one, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.